So what you've been asked to do is add and simplify the following two fractions. So we have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. So the way they are, you can't add them. In order to be able to add fractions, what you have to do is you have to change the denominator so that they're the same. Okay, so if we take a half, so what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to find the lowest common denominator. So if we think about the lowest common denominator, it's going to be 6. So what we can do is we can change, so for example, if we take 2 and if we take, let's do it down here a little bit. So if we take, so 2 and 3. So the lowest common multiple of these two, so if 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So they're the multiples of 2. And the multiples of 3 then are, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, for example. Now we can see here that the lowest common multiple between these two fractions or denominators is 6. So what we have to do is we have to change the two denominators to 6. And then once they have the same denominators, we can just add the two fractions together. So we have to, so we take each fraction and we think about, so what do we have to do to 2 to change it to, what do we have to multiply 2 by to change it to 6? We have to multiply it by 3. If we multiply the bottom by 3, we have to multiply the top of the fraction by 3 as well. So if we multiply, so we can just rewrite this. So 1 multiplied by 3 is going to be equal to 3 over, and then 2 by 3 is 6. So we've changed this fraction now so that it has the denominator is the lowest common multiple. Then what we do is we do exactly the same with this, with 1/3. So if we think about 3, what do we multiply 3 by in order to change it to 6? We have to multiply it by 2. So that will change it to 6. If we multiply the bottom by 6, we have to multiply it. So if we multiply the bottom by 2, we have to multiply the top by 2 as well. So now we can see is, so a half is the same as 3/6, and a third is the same as 2/6. Now what we can do is we can just add these together. So if we have 3/6 and we add 2/6, we're going to have 5/6, 5 over 6. So we can't really simplify this anymore, so this is in its simplest form. So what we've done is we've taken these two fractions and we've added them together, and the answer is this one here.